This is a brand new 2014 Nissan Sentra. This four-door sedan has a continuously variable transmission and an inline four-cylinder engine. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, commercial-free satellite radio, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, full power accessories, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and an adjustable steering wheel. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.